celebrating the 10th anniversary of STEM Nola with our STEM Fest. December 14, 2013 was the first day of STEM Nola, STEM Fest, and we had over 350 kids in New Orleans East. And imagine this, on that day we said that STEM was going to become the new recreation, and now here we are in the New Orleans Superdome, in the Caesars Superdome, with upward of 1,000 people doing STEM before the New Orleans Bowl. Oh, my favorite activities, I mean, we have the new humanoid pepper to see the young people respond to a humanoid, to see a humanoid for the first time and interact with it, to see the drone cage lit up and the kids flying drones, and understanding that drones and flying drones and being a pilot can be something, activity of the future. And then the excavator site, to see the young people with the excavators, the dump trucks, and moving earth, and understanding that that's STEM, to the original Lionel train. As a kid, I used to collect trains, and that really makes my day. You know, when I think about 10 years, and you think about we're a community-based organization, to get from where we were in our garage to doing STEM in a Superdome for 1,000 people, that's an amazing accomplishment for STEM Nola, but more importantly, it's an amazing accomplishment for the city. We've engaged over 130,000 young people, and today we have professionals here volunteering who was at the first STEM Fest as kids. We have college students here today volunteering and working who was participants in the STEM Fest. We have literally created a cradle-to-career pipeline in the city of New Orleans.
I went to the first STEM Fest 10 years ago, and I've been hooked ever since. I've been a STEM participant, an employee, an intern, and STEM has provided me a scholarship to Texas A&M.
It's very important for us to interact with all of the city youth in the city of New Orleans. We want to ensure that everyone has an opportunity to interact with STEM, see what STEM is about, and also have an opportunity to come see a professional college game in the Caesars Superdome. I grew up in New Orleans, I grew up in the 7th Ward in Gentilly. I didn't have STEM. I didn't have STEM when I was growing up. We basically had a science class, you maybe learned something, but there wasn't this interactive that we have up here today. I didn't have this when I was growing up. Essentially, if you wanted to be a part of it, it's more of a summer camp. It's more of a specific thing at a school that you would have to be a part of, and that's something kids didn't want to do in the summertime, but this is more interactive, this is more fun. Kids are hands-on and be able to be a part of it, and that gives me an opportunity because I have 2 kids, a 6 and a 3-year-old, a boy and a girl, and I want them to experience this because STEM is a very big, important part of society and what we do, and there's a lot of job opportunities for everyone to take part in it, but you need the skills to do the jobs that's available.
With the potassium chloride and giving off a light, it's almost like the same thing you see when you see fireworks in the sky and you shoot to the right, far away.
My favorite activity was the drones because you could like move it and like have a little contest.
It's extremely important to Chevron that we partner with phenomenal organizations like STEM Nola, that we provide access to these different hands-on STEM learning opportunities. From now until 2031, it is projected that STEM careers are going to increase by 11%. So that means that we need our students and our young leaders to get prepared for these STEM careers. And we love that we can partner with STEM Nola because we can prepare them for this really great future, but in a very fun and engaging way, like events with STEM Fest. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's absolutely phenomenal seeing all these kids engaging with the different STEM disciplines in a very hands-on and engaging way. I mean, it's different from being in the classroom a little bit. They get to try out all these different things. They're having fun. You just feel the excitement in the air, and we're just very excited that we could partner with STEM Nola on this initiative.
He likes math, so he likes robotic things too. So this would be a good opportunity for him to see how things work in the real world and how he can use his knowledge of math and science and put it together and build different things, and to see how houses are built, how electricity works, and how our water system and pumping system works, because he always has 1,000 questions.
Thank you, Chevron. Thank you, STEM Nola.